it's Saturday. It's like in the 80s. It's a beautiful day, and the side-by-side content's been doing really well. So I'm gonna give you more side-by-side content. There's quads, dirt bikes, full-size rigs out here too. So this should be a good day. Wait for me. There's a good-sized group. I didn't think there was gonna be this many people. That front dip in.
Motherfucker, give me scared of it. Lock the dip!
I don't know if he has a front locker.
It's Billy's! Fuck it up!
Her name's on it.
Her name's on it. Don't you have a dip lock? You have to hit it harder than that.
When you feel it start to slow down, give it more gas. Roll back a little bit. Oh, that's alright. When it starts to slow down, give it gas.
If it starts spinning real bad, just don't worry about it. Just like I turn the wheel.
Right.
Hold it to the right just a bit.
Stab it. Let me see what you're hanging up on. You're not hung up on anything. I don't know. It's just not locking this driver's side tire.
This thing got a lock in it? No.
No, you got to stab the gas to get the front end to lock on them. That's.
You don't want to fucking beat it. Back up. Go back.
Yeah, you're hung up on a little tree here, so.
Sorry, go back some.
I wouldn't. He's on this tree.
You guys in low?
I'd go back in low, start inching up, and then once you feel it start to slow down, hold the gas. You're gonna have to get going a little bit quicker.
Hesitates to spin the tire.
Huh?
Like hesitates to get going.
Yeah,
Is that a Honda thing?
mine does it too.
It's in the Honda. I've only drove this Honda one time.
I stab it every time. But I'm on 32s, so.
These are 35.
I know. I think you'd be alright if you stab it. I mean, stab it and point it straight.
Am I pointing straight right now?
No, you're pointing a little to the right, but. Roll it back a little bit. Are you? A little bit more. All right.
Might want to just like give it to it right now.
Yeah, get into it immediately. Ain't doing. I'd winch it.
Winch it. Fuck that. We'll back out.
Well, you're hanging up on this tree right here, and it's rubbing the shit out of her roof.
We got a winch on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a one.
She's hanging up on a tree, so
It's rutted out. There's rutted out real bad, and there's
yeah.
fucking wet.
I don't want her to back up because then she'll.
Go lock your winch.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. You gotta lock the winch.
Hold on. All right.
Turn your wheels that way a little bit. Just give it a little bit of gas. Nothing hard. Just like that. Ready to go.
Hold up.
Hold that right there.
All right. This is all rutted out.
Delete that shit. All up.
cakewalk, son.
Yeah, that dude's been making shit look easy.
He always does. It's Frank. Flex on that.
Barely anything, yeah.
Went straight down it.
Look at this flex. Like that's a hole for it.
Yeah, boy! We don't need a winch on this one.
Yeah. You didn't strap your cooler down.
It's cold. Hey, you want to grease anything? Maybe. Hey, transfer case is running. Are my wheels cut to the right? Hold
They're
that.
cut to the left.
To the left?
Yeah. I wouldn't put your hand out.
Good boy! Turn your wheels the other way!
Same gear.
Keep going! Come on!
Shut it off.
It's leaking fuel and everything
Jump on the
else.
other side, see if you can push it
Come
over.
on, we gotta hurry up.
Sit tight, Casey.
Right. Oh, free beer! Hey, I need that. Free beer! I need those.
Hang on, little buddy.
Pinned it at the wrong time, Casey.
No, I pinned it for a definite wrong fucking time. I was like, oh, here we go. Oh, fuck, there it went.
God damn it.
Thank you, brother. Hey.
What the hell's, there's gear oil everywhere. Your transfer case
it was on. It was.
That's all right. It was just on the side.
It was more than.
Hey, next time we need a warning.
It was upside down. What do you mean? It was leaking out of the top of the transfer case.
I go down this thing.
Hey, I'm keeping
I go down this time.
Yeah, if you close your fucking core, you
send me
wouldn't lost your beer.
I don't know how much I got because I turned the camera off.
Well, your cooler did.
Oh, mine's been running in my pocket.
Yeah, I did not.
He's back over now.
I didn't expect them to come backwards up it.
What do you got to say about that? Nah, damn, man, only like put too much alcohol in your beer again.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. I think you got it. Just
I think you need to try it again.
give it more gas next time.
Try it again. Just you hit the go pedal at the wrong time.
I did.
You forgot to strap your cooler in. That's the only thing you fucked up at.
It's flowing in. That's why it's supposed to flow, ain't it? Cold air going in.
I'm gonna stick a camera on that guy and just let it run. Yeah.
Joshua was stuck, as always. You got it. We'll pick you up. We'll get you out of there. We'll push you up.
Long boys.
Gear.
Hey, get in it. I'm not touching anything.
We'll try.
That's cute. that's it for this video. That's it for today. We're all packing up. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.